So, here's a fun fact about life that nobody asked for. One of my favorite things in the whole entire world universe are things called a motorbike. Motorbike. I can go into very deep detail about why I love them so much, but nobody wants to see me orgasm. So here's a story of me purchasing my first one and then surprising my family members. Yeah, I did look at a few bikes, some good, some bad, some very nice. But all hell, never give up, never failed. What the f am I saying? Finally found one and I had to drive very far to get it. So here we go.
Ay, zwaar nee. Kijk, we moeten het voelen.
Goeie vandaag.
In een blowbike. Hij was die blow jacket aangetekend, hè?
Oh nee, in blowshow.
In een blowshow.
What do you have to say?
Bike Lucy, huh?
What do you have to say?
Nah, it's good. I'm getting hot, man. I'm getting hot. I'll give my thoughts later. There's a bit too much going on now. But it's nice, bro. What do you think?
That shit great. She just got serious.
Man, shit ain't got serious, man.
Net zo, denk net voor de eerste.
Nou, die omkijk weet ik niet. Lijkt me die moet niet niks in.
Je bij hem groter. En zoek het deze.
Deze. Nee, die, mami, die. Die. Nee, die zo. Die. Oh! Ik trust hem, man. Is net voorzichtig, is af. Stabilize hem niet. Hoe voel je? Biker boy.
Oh my.
Biker boy. We zijn elkaar rijden op. Ga dit stadig. Rij Hendel naar mij toe.
Zo.
Yes.
Zo.
En laat hem niet liggen.
Net leeg, maar draai nog weer in.
Yes, fijn.
Je doet relax.
Moet je? Dit is niks, niet? Welke game? Oei, ja. Alsjeblieft, Auntie, stabilize, alsjeblieft. Oei, ja, mami, oei, ja.
Ja, die dingen zwaar. En dan wil jullie nog even de foodbike rijden.
Ja.
Moeder, ja.
Light work.
Ik ben maar blij met dat je wil net zien.
Ik versta niet, dat is zo kwakkelijk, jong. Ach, joh, karrelijk mooi, man. Karrelijk mooi, man. Moet ik jou helpen?
Nou, ik wil niet weten, is het jou, man.
Wat denkt u?
Ik ga je los.
Of course, is mijne. Hij is ook extra nog veel kwalijk. Hij is me niet verlaffen. Dat is nee, bro. My best friend I believe is mine. Hierzo?
Iemand kan niet veel reageren. Maar hij is op
Do
papier.
you wanna? My papers.
Maar hij is op
My
papier.
zak. My bro, do you wanna call my mother?
Nee, maar eerst dan.
Ja! Ik is no broke, no. It's mine, my bro. Do you wanna start it? He's flabbergasted. Nice, sit. That's a belief. That's why I brought it to you.
Als die kakkie, ja, zus.
You wanna hear it? Ik ga even staan.
Oh, die lijkt nice, hoor.
How is it?
Ah. Oei, yes, zus. Dan denk ik, oké, er staan niet buiten niet, er staan zeker binnen.
Maar
Toen ik hier kom, toen zie ik nog steeds in die kar en toen figuur ik, nee, oké, iets is aan de gang.
hij had niet die bike gezien.
Wanneer?
Toen ze nog was. Maar hij heeft niet gewonnen.
Come on.
Hij heeft niet gewonnen wie zijn bike het.
Obviously zijn je gekomen met het.
Ja,
Ik
hoor,
wil
maar
aan
ze
hem
is
meejagen.
mijne. Die ding is kak vandaag over. Alright. Go.
Oeh. Ik love het kleurtje.
Color. Ah, everybody say they like the color.
Wow.
Haha. Yes, sir.
Honda, meneer. Honda.
Peel fast, bro. Honda CBR 1000 RR.
Geef het je wat toe. I don't know what that is.
It's a fast bike. Zit op het. Klim over, ja. Big man. Moet je willen rijden?
Ja. I'm glad you
Let's do that part again.
Oh, I wanted to say, I'm very proud of you and proud of everything you've achieved and that you are going to achieve, and this is just a step towards where you want to go.
Klim op. Ja, Jesus. Maar bang die hier. Hij peet met die spat. Jij past bij je bike zo. Jij past.
Hier, ik pas. Ook een luxe. Ik ben bij hier.
Ze zijn ook een Raymond. Mannen. Dit is mijn zin. Dit is mijn zin. Dit is mijn zin. Dit is mijn zin, hoor. Dit is mijn zin, hoor. Dit is mijn zin. This is gonna be like my wait. Yeah, my hair is fucked up. Hold on. Sorry man, my hair is fucked up. I actually came back from breakfast run this morning. It's bike stuff. Listen, I'm a full-blown biker now, bro. I've always loved bikes, never had the funds to get a nice one. I had one, I still have one, a small one, like it's a 200cc, but it's kind of slow. But it looked nice though, red. I think you guys have seen it on the channel. So I'm thinking of
doing some bike content. I'm really like falling in love with the culture and stuff, and I want to share it with you guys. But if you don't want to see it, just face me now, bro. Like, well, I'll know. I'll know by the comments and stuff or whatever. So, listen, never said this, but Happy New Year. It's literally like middle January already, but Happy New Year from me. And this year is gonna be our year, Owens. Like this year, we're gonna go up, bro. Like this is the year people are gonna know who we are, and I'm very excited to show you guys. I'm gonna work hard for you guys, and in return, I'd appreciate, or I'd hope that you guys stick with me, and thank you for you guys that have been sticking with me. You know, this holiday, I realized how many people actually fuck with me. It's still overwhelming to me, man. So, away, I'm back on my consistent stuff all year, bro. No excuses, bro. And yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see the growth and the journey and the ideas I have and the things I want to do this year. And remember to subscribe. Now, this year, our goal is to get to, what's our goal, boss? 300k? Yes, sis. We can get there though. Like I know, bro, if I put in the work, we can get there. So fuck it, we're gonna go for 300k this year. Who knows what can happen? Maybe we beat it, maybe we don't, but fuck it. That's the goal. Alright, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video, no? Dankie, bye. Lekker slaap.